Next week is Children's Mental Health Week from the 1st to the 7th of February. And this year, the focus is about expressing yourself. At the Rushmere Park Academy and Nursery, we often talk about how we should express our feelings and do this through different group activities and stories. But we really want you to, this week, have a think about how you can look after your brain. Keep your mind active and be kind to your brain. So this week we want you to have a think how you can express yourself. Here shows you some different ways. I want you to have a think about how you express yourself and what does it mean by expressing yourself. There's some examples here of drawing, music, dancing, being outside. We do lots of these things at school, and you can do them at home as well. So have a think about what you enjoy and why you want to do those things. There's a video which I'll send the link to, and maybe you could spot the different ways that people are expressing themselves in the video. You might do something similar, or you might actually think, do you know, I really want to do something like that. It's inspiring to do something. So have a little look at that video and discuss what you see. Why does finding healthy ways to express yourself matter? I wonder why you think it's important. Now we know that sometimes we feel sad, we feel mad or cross or scared, along with being happy and excited and really, really jolly about things. All those feelings are absolutely fine and absolutely normal. So it's really important that you talk about all those different feelings, not just the good ones. So if you're feeling a little bit low, how might you express yourself? Would you use your face to tell us? Would you decide that your drawing is going to be a little bit darker? Have a think and maybe think about how you can talk about things that you might not really want to. They might not be easy to talk about. But it's really, really good. Once you start talking about things, you might feel better about sharing those things. Now, here is some examples about being creative and expressing yourself. So we talked about colouring and drawing, but here you can see people singing and painting and getting messy. It's sometimes fine to feel really, really silly and release all those laughters inside. It's really nice to release emotions. Share those feelings with your family and friends. You can be creative in so many different ways. So you could read the story if you wanted to, and again I'll find a little link. It's called Beautiful Oops. Or you could read a story of your own that you like. Now remember, when we express ourselves, we don't have to be the best at everything. We don't have to be the greatest artist or the wonderfulest dancer. It's not about being the very best in something or putting on a performance. We should just encourage each other to find lots of different ways to get creative and express ourselves. And remember our school motto, strive, achieve, believe. As long as you're doing your best and you're striving to do your best, achieving what you can, then you end up believing that you can do even more. So really think about different ways that you can express your feelings. And I wonder how you could help support each other. You might want to put something up in your window, like we have done previously while we've been at home, to talk about how Mental Health Week is important for us. You might want to just share a video with one of your families of something you've been learning at home. Maybe it's something new that you've learned, it might be something that you've practiced, it might be something you really just enjoy. Really look forward to seeing things that you're doing over the week with your teachers and uploading them on Dojo. It'd be really, really lovely to share. So get creative, express yourself, whether it's your clothing, whether it's your colouring, and share all those lovely things with us.